Guys, hawak ko right now is the Infinix XPad 20. So what's so nice about this tablet? This is 4G LTE capable. Perfect na perfect for back to school. So tara, unbox muna natin. Pag binuksan mo itong maliit na case na to, you get this one. A leather na cover or more of a case. No? Ang ganda. Smooth na smooth siya and perfect na perfect siya pang cover ng yung bagong Infinix na XPad 20. No? So, yeah, ganda. Diba? Pwede mo siyang gawing stand. Now, if you further open the box, nandiyan ang yung charging cable, charging brick, yung panundot, and of course, your warranty card. And of course, syempre, ang ating tablet. Ganda ng kanyang itsura. Very simple. Sa likod ng kanyang camera module, of course, LED flash, Infinix logo is here. Matte finish ang kanyang likod. And dito ang kanyang volume rockers. Dito sa ibabaw ang kanyang power button and speakers. And dito sa ilalim, another speaker, audio jack, and of course, your Type-C port. And on this side, it supports isang micro SD card and isang 4G na SIM card. Now, what's so nice dito sa kanya? It can power you through the day. Multitasking, wala kang maging problema dito. And the camera is not so bad. Probably not the best on a tablet, pero for me, not so bad na. We're able to take some photos, documents, and pang-submit mo lang sa teacher, pwedeng-pwede na dito sa tablet na ito. Another thing is that it will keep you entertained. Pwede ka manood ng mga favorite shows mo dito, basketball games, Korean novela, walang problema dito. And of course, mild gaming like ML and CODM, kayang-kaya din ito ang tablet ito. Just don't play yung mga AAA games dito sa kanya kasi maghihingal na to. And of course, yung kanyang battery is okay dahil makunat naman siya. Can last you for, well, the whole day without charging. Pero kung medyo nag-heavy gamings ka dito, I think medyo mas mabilis siya ma-drain. But overall, experience is definitely good and the price is very budget-friendly. So if you're interested dito sa tablet na ito, just simply hit that yellow basket lang.